Fiber Guru, your ultimate guide to fiber-rich wellness. App description: Fiber Guru is a groundbreaking health and wellness app designed to help you seamlessly incorporate fiber-rich foods into your daily life for improved gut health, enhanced energy, and overall wellness. From meal planning to tracking your fiber intake, Fiber Guru empowers you with advanced tools, the world's largest verified nutrition database, and personalized insights to transform your health journey. Key features and functionalities. 1. Exclusive access to the world's largest verified nutrition database. As a Fiber Guru subscriber, you unlock unmatched access to the largest verified nutrition database available. 982, 523. Grocery items, comprehensive nutritional information at your fingertips. 2. 197,990 restaurant meals. Navigate dining out with confidence by understanding the fiber content of your favorite dishes. 3. 10,436 common foods. Explore precise nutritional data on everyday food items. This unparalleled resource ensures that you can track and manage your fiber intake with ease, giving you the tools to monitor your nutrition in just 60 seconds a day. 2. Personalized fiber intake goals. 1. User profile setup. Tailor your experience by inputting your age, gender, weight, dietary preferences, and wellness goals. 2. Fiber intake calculator. Receive scientifically backed daily fiber recommendations designed specifically for you. 3. Extensive food database. 1. Fiber-rich foods. Database. Discover a vast collection of fiber-rich foods, sorted by categories such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. 2. Detailed nutritional information. Access the fiber content, vitamins, and minerals for each food item. 3. Health benefits. Learn how different foods contribute to gut health, weight management, and overall vitality. 4. Recipe collection. 1. Fiber-rich recipes. Explore hundreds of delicious recipes for every meal, including snacks and desserts, all designed to boost fiber intake. 2. Dietary preferences. Filter recipes for vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, or other dietary needs. 3. User ratings and reviews. Rate recipes and read reviews from the Fiber Guru community. 5. Meal planning and tracking. 1. Meal planner. Create custom weekly meal plans aligned with your fiber goals. 2. Grocery lists. Automatically generate shopping lists from selected recipes and meal plans. 3. Daily intake tracker. Log your food and monitor your fiber consumption effortlessly, ensuring you meet your daily goals. 6. Unparalleled convenience. With Fiber Guru, you can take control of your health in just 60 seconds a day. Track your fiber intake, stay on top of your nutritional needs, and manage your wellness journey with unmatched precision and ease. Why choose Fiber Guru? Fiber Guru offers more than just innovative fiber management tools. It's your ultimate partner for mastering nutrition and wellness. By combining personalized features, a vast verified nutrition database, and expert-designed tools, Fiber Guru equips you to achieve your health goals with confidence and simplicity. Start your journey toward fiber-rich living today. Download Fiber Guru and transform your health one bite at a time. Vital Fiber One online store, App Store, Google Play.